Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 13x, and let me show you how to fix app crashing on this device. So if your device is stuck for some unknown reason, the first way to resolve the problem is to open your Play Store and check if you've got the latest version. So just open your Play Store, go to Manage Apps and Device and enter Updates and check if it's not on the list. And if it is, just mark Update. Afterwards, it should work properly. But if it's still not working, just open the settings, go to Apps, now select Manage Apps, choose the particular app, the one that is not responding, and select Force Stop. Okay, so this one is not active right now, and maybe the calendar. Okay, so mark Force Stop, tap on OK, then go back and start using it again. It should work right now, but it still is not responding. If you have still some issues connected with this particular app, you can reinstall it. To do it, just open your Play Store, locate the app that is not working properly. So let me just, for example, we have TikTok here. Okay, so here we've got it. Mark uninstall, wait till it's done, and now you can install it again. Log in with your credentials and it should work properly. Okay, so once it's done and you still experience some issues with this app, the best way actually you can start with this option is to perform a soft reset of your device. So let's do it. Obviously, to do it, just tap on power button along with volume down button, tap them for around 10 seconds, then you will be in fast boot mode. Give it a couple of seconds. Will it load or no? Okay, so we have to wait a couple of more seconds. Okay, so it may take some time. However, all you have to do once you enter the fast boot mode, you need to reboot your device. You can also do it from this panel, also by tapping same buttons. But it's better to wait till it's active and then reboot it normally. Okay, so do it just with power button. And now it will be rebooted in the standard mode and you will be able to use it again, and also your app should work properly. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.